Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So before diving further into these assertions, right, let us see about the soft assertions. We haven't seen about the soft assertions in the previous session. Let us see the soft assertions. So what I have done is I copied the same content and I have created a new program. Okay. And if you observe right now, so whenever this text is not matching, so this is not matching. So let me play this program. So the assertion is at the starting itself. Let me play this program. So immediately, okay, so immediately, see it got a failed. Okay, expected 10 and received it got a failed basically. Okay, it doesn't even open that particular application. Now, what I'm gonna do right now here is let me add a soft assertion. So expect dot soft. That's it, guys. Earlier it was expect, now it was a dot soft. Now when I play back this time it launched the browser, opened the application, terminated that, all the actions got performed, and still the exception is populating. So the soft assertion itself means ultimately it, though it will fail, but still it will continue that particular execution. Okay, though it will fail, but it will continue that particular execution. That itself is a soft assertion. Perfectly all right. Let me uncomment this piece of a code, whatever the program that we have created. Okay, let me delete all these lines, and at the end, anyways, await page dot close method that I'm gonna use in order to close the instance. Okay, page dot close I'm using in order to close the instance. Now, what I'm gonna do right now here is, after opening that particular application, let us cross-check that particular URL. Okay, let us cross-check that particular URL. So what I'm gonna do right now, await, expect, okay, and it's gonna be the page. Okay, expect this particular page. Okay, to have the URL. What is the URL that I want to pass it right now here? The URL that I want to pass it right now here is the same URL. Okay, the same sourcedemo.com. I just copied and I just placed it. Okay, let me try to run this program and check it out. Okay, so to have this particular URL and you check it, it got a passed. For suppose, if I changed that particular URL to surendrademo.com. Okay, when I run it, of course, the URL isn't same. So definitely it will wait for few seconds and then it got a fail. Okay, so this is not one and the same, hence it got a fail basically. Okay, and then it got a fail. So this is the way to check whether some URLs is matching or not. So this is the way to cross check that particular URLs. Okay, ideally every web page does has a title. See here, the title for this particular web page here is a Swag Labs. Okay, so here await again, this is gonna be expecting on that particular page to have a title, and the title value here is Swag Labs. So here Swag Labs, that's it, to have this particular title. So I want you to verify whether this title is there or not. Let me try to run this particular program. The title is matching, hence the script it is marking it as a passed. For suppose if I change that value to Surendra, and when I run this particular test, the title is not matching. Again, it will wait for 5 seconds as the title was not gonna match. Hence, it will return as a failure. Okay. Hence, it will return as a failure. Perfectly all right. So this is all about, okay, this is all about how exactly we can add a title based assertions and the URL based assertions. In the next session, we will be looking at an element based assertions basically by retrieving the element attribute, whether the text is present or not, whether the element is enabled, visible or not, whether a particular text is present or not. All those things we will be looking at as part of the next session. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.